Hey guys, it's me Elisa, and today I'm going to do the unicorn poo challenge. And Sophie's not here today, but before we get on with this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I post new videos. Now let's get started. So I have my activator, shaving cream, laundry detergent, my glues, and this glue and I might start the purple slime first. So I'm gonna add, which one's what? I'm gonna add some white glue first for the purple slime. And when you come out, glue. I think that's enough. And now I might add some. Now I'm gonna add purple glitter. Oh, a little too much. Actually, more. Just how much glitter? Then I'm gonna do laundry detergent. Oh, that's the glitter looks so weird with the laundry detergent. It's like moving, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna add some of this activator. It just looks so cool when it's wet on top of glitter. On top of the glitter, it just looks real cool. Oh, now mix. This looks like it's kind of an oaky slime. This does not look very awesome. Maybe I need that glitter. I might end up adding all the glitter so then the slime looks good. There's some glitter on the slime. If only I had that. It could be baking. Now I'm just gonna mix it. Long shot. Okay. Like in the bowl, it looks like it's slime, but when you pick it up with the spoon, it's like water. It's still water. Shaving cream kind of activates it. I guess I could try shaving cream, but I don't know if it's work. I never tried shaving cream with glitter, I don't think. Oh. Yep, it's activating. Kind of. Oh. Laser it in. It's falling apart. Well, I might take a break from this slime because this slime is taking forever, and maybe I'll move on to the pink slime. Bye guys. Yeah. Sophie is an expert at making slime, so she's gonna activate that for me. No, that's glitter and fluffy.
Wait, me too. I still have like standing on that. Wait, I'm gonna grab a chair. Okay.
For the pink slime, I'm gonna add in some of this. I forget what it's called. What's this called again?
Floam beads, like it's like a floam bead, but they're like stuck together. Wait,
It's almost like foam slime. Like it's slime with just foam, and it's pink. It's slime with just pink foam. So I'm gonna add in. I don't even know if you're supposed to add this at the end because I've never made slime with this. So I'm just gonna add in little chunks at a time.
okay, guys. I haven't even put activator in this yet. I've just been putting shaving foam in it, and it's been activating really well.
You're shaving foam.
It can activate shaving foam. I don't know why, but it can activate this.
Yeah.
Basically, just been doing shaving foam.
I think I was supposed to add that at the end because now there's like just
Yeah, you're supposed
random
to add it
chunks.
at the end.
Oh.
She says it is.
Yeah, because I never made slime with this.
She's never made slime with the foam that sticks together.
Yeah, I've never made it with the foam slime. So I guess I won't add any more. I was not paying attention and I added a little too much. Okay, so I was not watching and I think I added a little too much of all of them are going to be fluffy because the shaving foam activates it and we need it.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys come back whenever we finish activating these two slimes, and then she can make the
Blue slime.
Hey guys, that's lucky. So I'm almost done activating this. I'm like basically done. So I'm gonna activate that one for her too. Yeah.
But at the end when she activates it, I think I'm gonna add some more of these. But for
Because
now,
she wasn't supposed to add this in, but she just forgot, or it was there. She's never made it.
yeah, I've never made it with this.
She's never really won. But this one is so good, you guys.
So I'm gonna start making the blue slime.
Okay, sorry.
So I will not eat the blue. So good. I will
Because
not.
she's using this glue.
Yeah.
It's like blue metallic glue.
Yes, blue metallic. So we're now to add the metallic. This is actually a really pretty color, and it's basically filled because I've been saving this for a long time for like a day that I really need it because it's really pretty. And today is the day, but I might not use all of it.
By the way, guys, I'm still activating this. I'll start activating that one.
Whoa,
Come back
that looks, wow.
Because it's
I wish I had like 3 of these same blues. That looks awesome.
this is pretty.
Yeah. In the bowl, it looks even prettier when how it comes out.
Oh gosh, there's like stuff all over the table.
So,
And the purple
since
one,
this
so-
bottle is smaller, then this slime will be smaller. And yes, guys, I will put it in the same container, but I'll put it in
She's
the
gonna
bigger.
mix them at the end, so stay tuned for that, I guess, till the end. That's when she's mixing them, by the way.
There's actually like a really tiny bubble in this, but looks like it's a movie, like one single movie. Isn't it?
I was gonna touch it, and then I realized I would get blue slime in my hands before I activated this one that is
The blue, not the
yes,
slime.
and then it would make the slime a tintish blue.
Yeah, this is so pretty, guys.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna put slime
Yeah,
back.
pretty. I just want to mix some straight glue because that looks so pretty. Wow, Sigonia. It just looks so.
Okay, guys. Now I'm activating this one. A lot of leaving
That's
a lot
why am I?
on the shaving foam. Because shaving foam activates it and it
Oh,
makes
this
the
is easy to activate. This is easy to activate, kind of.
This slime is going to be biggest. I actually made it bigger.
Wait, that's slime or that slime? Oh yeah, that's. After I might make this slime a little bit bigger, you just have to add, once your slime's complete, you just have to add little bits of shaving cream at a time, and then just like keep mixing it and shaving cream mix, shaving cream mix. And I think you guys get the idea.
There you go.
Yeah. This slime looks like it's ready, but it actually, oh, it kind of is. This is the first one that I've activated. Maybe because it's like easier to activate because it's smaller.
Oh, why do you make it so small? That was so
Because this is like the
Okay guys, can I add in some foam? Like, you gotta kind of break it apart before you add it in, and it's gonna be all together when it's in there.
Adding the
Foam in.
the slime floam thing. We're just gonna call that floam slime.
Because it's like sticks together.
Yeah,
but
almost
it's
like
not-
slime, but it isn't slime. But it's like all floam. There's a
It's
thing of
really
green floam in here.
But one singular green bead. Wow.
Not green bead, green floam.
Yeah, foam bead. Sorry. Okay. I just add a lot of pinks in, and then it'll be super pink.
One
I just gotta
singular
spread it out kind of, so then it doesn't like.
Yeah, I think Sophie's gonna activate this.
I gotta break it up so that it like doesn't go all together, and it's like all pink in one blot.
I don't want Sophie to be doing everything, and she's still onto the pink slime, so I'm gonna try to activate this. But at the end, if I can't, then I might get her to activate it.
I love activating slimes for some reason and making slimes, so I actually find if I activated it and you probably want to
Yeah,
activate
then I feel
those,
like doing nothing.
making them basically, and you would mix them.
Yeah, then I'd be doing nothing because I'm not gonna make like 4 slimes. Like we're not a factory of slime here.
We should make a slime business.
Yes.
Okay, anyways, guys.
So we might
we'll-
make slime. Factory.
We'll come back whenever all these slimes are activated and she's about to mix them.
Hey guys, so this is how my finished slimes turned out. This one is very small and also it's like watery, so this one was kind of a fail, but the other 2 are pretty good. So first, I'm gonna mix them all. First I'm just gonna take the pink. The pink one I would say is my favorite. And this one is my second fave. This one's my third fave. Oh! Okay, and yeah. So now it's a mix. I just want to see what color it will make really quick, and then at the end I'll mix all of it. So I'm gonna take little chunks of all of them. It might be hard to take a little chunk of the blue one, but because it's kind of small, but I'll try my best. Can't take a chunk. Okay, I guess that's my chunk. So now I guess I'm gonna mix them. I just put them all on top of each other. No, this other way. And here's my container. I'm gonna put them in once I figure out what blue is. This looks kind of pretty, honestly. Oh, it's kind of stiff, maybe from the blue slime, because I accidentally the laundry detergent spilled and I accidentally added all of it. So maybe it's getting like stiff from that blue slime, but honestly, isn't that bad. Pretty nice. It looks pretty. So now, put that in there. I'm gonna mix all of it. There. Get that slime out. Oh, this slime is leaking. And then it's going in. Oh wait, doesn't matter. I want to see what made that pretty color. So first I'm just going to start by mixing blue and purple. Because I want to see like if the pink made like that color. If like, yeah. Or if the pink like did nothing except for the floam. The pink just made it lighter. But other than that, basically did nothing. Okay, well anyways, let's just mix it anyways and see if it's going to be lighter than the little bit that we mixed before or darker. I think maybe lighter because I'm adding more pink. And here is the color. The same. It's a little bit lighter. And then yeah, this is my slime. It has some purple glitter. It's like a light blue and it has pink foam beads. And guys, thanks for watching till the end of this video, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.